All right, good afternoon, traders. Happy Friday. Today is July 6, 2018. Hope everybody had a happy and safe 4th of July for those celebrating. Today we're taking a look at a couple of different markets, and that is the Australian dollar and gold. Historically, there's been a pretty strong correlation between gold and Australian dollar. The dollar is referenced globally as a commodity currency along with the Canadian dollar, largely due to the fact that Australia is a major producer of gold and other commodities. So we're going to take a look at this correlation that we have setting up in the market. And right now on the daily chart, you can see that our 1, 2, 3 bottom indicator is putting in a possible setup to the buy side. We also have some buy signals coming in on another indicator that we run, indicated by the white triangles. But here we have a 1, 2, and a 3. Again, this is not yet confirmed until we see a blue arrow print, and that would confirm the 1, 2, 3 bottom. However, we are seeing what our potential target would be if this is the final swing high, and that's going to take us up to the 75 area. So to recap, our target on a breakout above this high would be approximately 120 points or $1,200 per contract on the 6A. And although the five-year price average here to the right does not look all that favorable, if you can see on the longer term price trends, we do bottom out right around this time, starting with the beginning of next week, and we tick higher. Now that doesn't typically last forever. It should be good right around until the end of August or September. And then down here is the 10 and 15 year price trends. You can see it also goes higher. Now if we put that in comparison to gold, you can see that gold has been falling off pretty good here. Now gold can be a difficult market to trade as it can get fairly choppy, but can exercise patience and find the right setup, there can be some really nice trades. Looking right around here, just like we did for the Australian dollar, we should see a boost higher going into late August, early September. If we flip to a current daily chart in gold, see that we have a very similar setup that we did in the Australian dollar. However, we don't quite yet have a 1, 2, 3 setup on the gold because we're looking for a 52-week low. But if we dial this back some, we can see that we may have short-term support. We had some support here, some support here, some support here. And when these bull swing formations have set up, it has generally led to some nice moves. Now, if we look over here at the seasonality window in the Thinkorswim platform, notice that we are also due for a short-term pop here in gold. I think there is some upside potential in both gold and the Australian dollar. However, we don't have a firm setup in either. We are closer to a setup in the Australian dollar market, and I think that will occur sometime next week. If and when either of those occur, we'll be looking to be long the Australian dollar and or gold. We do have some potential headwinds up here at this area, but if we can clear this area, it should be smooth sailing to 75.75 and onwards up to 76 and beyond. Good trading, hope it helps, and we'll see you on the next update. Traders, like what you see, want more trade ideas each week? Take a $7 30-day complete member access trial by clicking the link below. You'll have immediate access to analysis and seasonal trade ideas on over 35 commodity and currency futures markets, as well as coverage on all of the major stocks, exchanges, and ETFs in the U.S. marketplace. If you like us, follow us on Twitter and Facebook, like us on YouTube, and we hope to see you on the inside.